Are you a woman in perimenopause that struggles with sleep? If so, you are not alone. Up to 60% of women in this time period do struggle with sleep. And so let's talk about some of the reasons why this may happen. Who am I? Hi, I'm Dr. Val, integrative sleep medicine physician and women's sleep expert. Women in perimenopause do have a lot of things happening within their body from biological standpoint, physiologic, and also psychological. The first reason we'll talk about are hormone fluctuations. When you lose estrogen and progesterone, it can really disrupt your sleep patterns, whether it be by regulating your body temperature or even affecting your sleep stages. We do know that women who go through this change tend to be lighter sleepers and have a hard time staying asleep. A number two reason why women struggle with sleep during this time are hot flashes and night sweats, and these are certainly due to fluctuations in hormones, namely estrogen. When you sleep, your body temperature actually lowers, but when you lose that estrogen, it can affect your body temperature and you can feel really, really hot, wake up in a drench, and need to just change your clothes or even change your sheets. Number three, another reason that can impact your sleep are mood changes and anxiety. Part of what sleep is when our brainwaves slow down. And if you're worried about something, or maybe you're just worried about your health as you go through all these changes, it certainly can impact your ability to fall asleep or even stay asleep. Rates of insomnia and anxiety and depression go hand in hand and increase as we go through this change. Number four is a medical sleep condition such as obstructive sleep apnea. And if you've heard any of my videos before, I always like to sneak this in as much as possible because up to 90% of women who have it are undiagnosed. Common symptoms are snoring, gasping, and choking, but you don't have to have these symptoms. Sometimes just having a hard time staying asleep could be part of it, waking up a headache, mood disturbances. And also hormonal changes can lead to difficulty breathing at night and thus more disruptions in your sleep. The fifth thing I want to discuss is waking up to urinate or bladder issues, which again can be part of untreated sleep apnea, but also, as we get older, our muscles may not be working as well and our bladder may not function well. Maybe we've been diagnosed with something called diabetes that can cause us to wake up to urinate at night more because our bodies are trying to expel some excess blood sugar. And there's a whole host of reasons for someone to have disruptions in their sleep at night, and these are just 5 of them. Alrighty ladies, I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe and like for more, and to learn more about women's sleep health and full living, subscribe to our newsletter. Link is down below. Until next time, sleep well.